over here at the gym, it's time to get it in. I'm gonna do a little treadmill for about 5 minutes sprinting, do a little bench press and some abs, do some curls, upper body, abs pretty much, and cardio. Let's get it. Coming to you here live from the spa. I usually try to get into the sauna at least once a week. There's a lot of benefits to getting into the spa, especially the sauna and steam room. It allows you to detox, refresh, get some new circulation into the body. Get that steam room for the respiratory benefits if you're feeling a sore throat or you feel like you need to get that steam in you. Or you can hit the sauna for the dry heat, sweat it out, remove all those toxins.